Hello there. Is your job safe from AI? The answer might surprise you. In this video, let me reveal what the creator of the world's most powerful AI says about the future of human jobs. Will machine replace us, or is there a bigger shift coming? This isn't just another tech trend, it's a turning point. Don't miss this eye opening take on how AI could reshape everything we know about work. Join me in this journey of the future now, where we explore the technologies that are transforming the present and defining the future of tech. The real question isn't if change is coming, it's whether you are ready for it. And the real twist, it's not just about losing jobs, it's about who gets ahead next. Watch till the end, you will thank me later. Will AI replace humans? Here is what the creator of the world's most powerful AI predicts about the future of jobs. Introduction. Tom Altman, CEO of OpenAI, outlined his vision for the future of jobs in an AI driven world. He believes that the introduction of artificial intelligence will not lead to mass job losses but will instead create new roles and redefine existing ones. Altman argues that while some jobs may change, people will find new ways to contribute and innovate, ultimately enhancing productivity and fulfillment in the workplace. Understanding the impact of AI on employment. Altman emphasizes that technological advancements have historically transformed job markets. Many of the jobs we do today would have looked like insignificant waste of time to people a few hundred years ago. This historical perspective highlights how society adapts to new technologies, leading to the emergence of roles that were previously unimaginable. As AI systems become more capable, the nature of work will evolve. Altman suggests that AI will take over repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing workers to focus on creative and strategic endeavors. This shift will redefine job descriptions and open up opportunities for innovation. New skills for the future workforce. With the rise of AI, there will be a growing need for new skills. People have an innate desire to create and to be useful to each other. As AI handles routine tasks, workers will need to develop skills in critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and problem solving. Education and training will be crucial in preparing individuals for this changing landscape. Organizations will need to invest in reskilling their employees. Most jobs will change more slowly than most people think. This means that while some roles may be at risk, many others will adapt, requiring a workforce that is ready to learn and evolve. Collaboration between humans and AI. A future where AI acts as a collaborator rather than a competitor. AI will enhance human capabilities, allowing people to accomplish more than ever before. AI will allow us to amplify our own abilities like never before. This collaboration can lead to increased job satisfaction as workers engage in meaningful tasks that leverage their unique skills. Industries will benefit from this partnership as AI systems assist with complex problem solving and decision making processes. Workers will become more efficient, leading to greater productivity across various sectors. Preparing for a positive future. While AI presents numerous opportunities, challenges remains. We need to maximize AI's benefit while minimizing its harms. Policymakers, educators, and industry leaders must work together to create a framework that ensures equitable access to AI technologies and prepares the workforce for upcoming changes. The future of jobs will not be without its hurdles. If a lamplighter could see the world today, he would think the prosperity all around him was unimaginable. This statement reflects the belief that just as previous generations adapted to technological advancements, today's workforce will also find ways to thrive in an AI driven economy. As we look to the future, it is clear that the rise of AI will lead to the emergence of new professions and the transformation of existing roles. By embracing change and investing in skill development, society can harness the potential of AI to create a more innovative and productive workforce. I hope you enjoyed this video and gained valuable insights into the latest tech innovations. The future is now and the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for more exciting deep dives at profound insights under the Future Now, the latest in tech playlist. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button, subscribe for more exciting tech updates and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement motivates me to create more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you.